Yeah, but like I told you people that I will keep giving his write up a visual. I will keep bringing it up so that can then amaron we mal. Then when then I got and we heard the reason I do only here in order to make sure that everybody Martin is because now we have a way of interpreting it to make it more easier for you to understand. So why am I saying this? Rev Father Chidi Philip regarding destiny helpers that Nanagwande Ananyelaka Kaha Kwako Yikono. In other words, the title of the message just destiny helper, should I climb bed? Destiny helper, when you chali nyanaka, kina siki illegal in bed. As in Kagin is or was a destiny helper. Let go. But now we him to passing out in this message so that keep pay very, very much attention. Obolo nebo destiny helper, Bieleba, Obokwana go abolo kabolo destiny helper, Bia Wakwana nasigili go to bed, Bieba, Kakapia Okwano, Number Sinketata. Let us dive in on this journey. Also, yesterday I made a post asking young people who started a skill or handwork this year but shouldn't finish it to comment about their skill and handwork with pictures or videos. Very simple instruction. But you know Nigerians, many don't follow ordinary route. Only few comment. The majority went straight to my DM. I don't respond to any DM because it was not instruction. But one message stopped me. A young lady in her early 20s, a baker, struggling, fighting, pushing. I don't even want to reply until I saw her last sentence and it felt like a spiritual threat wrapped in pain. Owesi. She wrote, Father, why is it that every man who wants to help me wants me to climb bed? I am trying to keep my dignity. I'm not a virgin, but I swore not to do it again until marriage. But Father, I will tell you the truth. If I don't make enough income by this December, by next year I will start climbing bed. Can you hear me? Now why the message? Say again that no one actually can ha. Now this category now made we can make define ukwa konyo bona nondo konyo bona no in this category what him neku. Should I dive in now? Society has made it look like now a woman obuni choli nyalaka me actually like agine na abo make oye. Do you know why most times I don't blame people? You know why I don't blame people? In other ways now, there are so many people in this our field of work. Our field of work, you as a man, that in every year bangu freely. Every year bangu asegi kolonado, one year batangu de ga freely. Obolo makagini societal difference. 2. Some people have inyelaka to the based on how needing help. They don't really need that help. They don't really need that help. One of our brother na along when was so mother back up na camera. Mago on a guided the game based on musical video. Mana shoot that musical video. The girl approached him saying na no the kamo gibulibo. More the honor like a woman of one okay. The guy said that na at that point he felt he went numb. Or somebody he said it to my hearing. He went numb, he couldn't speak. In his mind, he felt violated. Mana to that girl on no Martin call. She have said it. Mana let us switch the scenario around. No bolo no moke gwale yamani. If you go just switch the narrative around, wakeni wale that in me yamani. I say that is how all men behave. Now coming to the issue of destiny helper. And when they are back they may not really need that help. Society may go kaimala na society atono go most of ndi nyele madaka or dezaka un ebu mugu. That is why most people put as na I can't be robbing Peter to pay Paul. It's okay nyele gaka, you know what to do. I am totally against it. Man, I want to bring your attention to what made good people to suddenly become bad. And when they are being a channel up and is asking, wow, this guy na mugu. You know anything, you got a good that kind of thing. They will either they violate and they abuse what they get freely. Especially being Nigerians. 80% of Nigerians abuse what they get freely. Just like a few days ago, can announce on our band to go TikTok live. TikTok pụtara many Nigerians became millionaire through TikTok. Mana nwezi ndị batazi in ya and they started abusing the privileges given to them. So automatically Destiny Helper TikTok wete ka ha bụrụ Destiny Helper to people. People started abusing it, so they have to gain a cut off being a Destiny Helper. In other words, it was in my life. Migrate to American location. Migrate to it. That is why Ojuwe this gauge in Ikuya. Many people are more rosy in the Nindila Makana than Indiro. Because a lot of people have abused in the Nyela Haka. So in order for you to you have to, some people will say came trade by butter. So that at the end of the day I will not feel bad. And most people making a chief shagunde Nyela Haka. Many people have forgotten in the Nyela Haka totally. Oh, then the Nyela Haka they will turn against you. I'm totally against it. Because I believe in each other Madaka. But wholeheartedly Nyelo Haka. Oh Chukunna that sees in secret that will be the one to reward you, because I so much believe in you will reap what you sow, not where you sow. You will Nyelo Madaka na Abuja and you will reap it in Lagos. Nyelo Madaka na London, you will reap it in Abuja. Just like my story. When Nanya Keke, I've said this story, but let me repeat it again. Fondina no beria. And Maya Keke one day, let's talk for example. Mbolo onye male Lagos very well. Obolo onye buru ma Kaduna very well. Iyama Kaduna Abuja Junction. Enweba na Abuja Junction. Junction ahụ ya bi ilue. Uzo nke ọzọ gbagozila Abuja. You have to turn at the roundabout gbabatawa. Ịgbadatawa ya agafe no ebriko garage ka ogene gbafe here ka barak. Gafetewo garage dem gbagote sabo dem gbagote refinery before you gawa Maraba Rido. That was how far distance mmadụ chefu phone and drop with them. Batawa Maraba Rido. That was how far distance, and God being so kind. I did not pick any passenger because that day was Sunday. I just on such a machine so okay, come just tired. Can just go come I don't know, I can't remember really what happened. When I'm na me pick was a passenger again. Because that day was Sunday. Elubigum turn was that junction come but I win me ya die Maraba Rido. Could you imagine the distance? Obone Mara place very well. Obone Mara, let me describe the distance. The distance is like Madisi Leki Phase 1. Lue Aja roundabout. Aja under bridge. That is the distance. Leki Phase 1 to Aja under bridge. Lekki to CMS is very close. Check here from Lekki Phase 1 to Aja under bridge. Obone the distance. Imali him neku. When was the phone na ring? Bidig. See phone kwa. We pick your hidden that phone is roughly more than 10 missed calls. When the phone has made that one that head drop polo. Because Kedemesana even no Maraba the shoe wait tomorrow but has no they can't not wait. I have to turn back with that phone. Actually I play with the wajela. So see here that has thank you. I compensate on for fuel. Nothing. I have to also turn back and bully them mad nata. Another one me the chief uji more than 10 to 13 tubers of yam danaba. I forgot about it. Kamena Jos Mbuli Mba from Fatima. Onye buna ma Our Lady of Fatima. Ya na gwagina ogi location. Our Lady of Fatima to Apata. Fatima to Apata in one location by side Apata. Nimeba. Eba can you drop on there before Apata Junction. One hotel the Nakuka Chifugama Father Hotel Ejemekali event Chifugama Afia. Onye buna mother please very well. Yama how far all the from that Uzo Fatima na Uzo Fatima eba Uzo na the Roma before he say Patababu Sabuji imagudwana Patazi say Patabu Sabuji ba straight bata pata we kawaze ba naga. That is how marriage with chief uji mu amahona marriage chief uji mane kosi habite mu chata anai na azon letu mbuluda ke kigaba o se kan lute mfuna jam we say okwu mu nwanya mbute. I have to turn back jibuje na haji hana yard. They say the thank you. That is when Jagwalegi this scenario. Now, listen to what happened. I came to Lagos. I no be Romano na Lagos. Yeah, I no be 1 year in Lagos. I lost my phone. Get the phone di ha Samsung phone. What call X, something called X6 called X7. Chefugum. Touch screen Samsung. Give my Samsung is expensive. Give me anom nime moto. Little na bus stop I. Amoram na phone drop on abam. Abagomo okada bata witi aka na akpa fọrọ phone. Nwere phone de ba akpọ onyo opi arengi pick ya. Ring na luzie yard. Nwere phone my sister or somebody pick ya. Because I know go n'ụzọ na ya ka mma na mma for the phone ebe ọ na-aringi ọ na-achọ. I couldn't see it. Somebody pick ya. Say no off the phone n'ụzọ mgbe oletu. Na ihe me na m bịakwa so place one redeem church ebe ha na-eme all night that I should come and carry the phone. I was dumbfounded. Even my sister couldn't believe it. Now somebody told her phone na Lagos. I drove Okada that night. Okada Bulum. Ebe I had very far. I've not been there before. Just all kita can be recognized for that place because I'm not to go maka. Okada Bulum. JD for the woman. Phone on Okada Bo. The woman put easy from all night. I saw it boldly written. Able to put a redeemed church. The phone and I lost weight. I can't even know how to thank her. And say, Madam, thank you very much. Mana, thank you very much. That was how I recovered. So here these things are not saying you can see, you can sow in Abuja and reap in Lagos. You can sow in Lagos and reap in London, depending on ABC women keke. That is it. So no one has said this name by clan bed. No, I'm not in support of it. Oya akale gị mmasị nwoke na gị na nwaanyị kpara akpa si dosagoro destiny chọ enyele ya aka aside si hapụgodo onye chọ enyele ma ọ ka mma gị na nwaanyị kpara akpa unu kwekọrịta unu ejeje mee rather na isi ya na na this is na ihe ịchọ nka na ihe nke m chọ ya bụ totally wrong ano trade ọ ka mma unu kpara akpa ọ sị gị mba ijebele onwe gị onye ọbụla ejebele onwe afọkwa n'ụzọ ekene. You ought to go. So let it be registered in your head. Always. I checked her page. She's genuinely trying. Her story is painful. While some people are planning New Year resolution to pray more or to go church more, our sister is planning a New Year resolution to start climbing bed. Not because she wants to, but because poverty is pushing her. I cancelled her and decided to help her with my December allowance. So yes, this December I am officially a poor man. Many young boys and girls are suffering in silence. Many are climbing bed they don't want to climb. Many will climb bed in December just to get Christmas hair, Christmas clothes. Many are doing things that will break them, shame them, and haunt them later. This thing a lot of them non Lagos and woman working. Nichoke nyelega akibia kakpo gintu. Hakanku. Hakan onya no oka ụmụ nwoke na ụmụ nwoke imbe ha ntu na Lagos kali ụmụ nwoke ni dị na ụmụ nwaanyị. Go and make your findings. Most of ha na-akpọ ụmụ nwoke ntu na-akpọ na dị na kwa nwaanyị, so in form of ha na-eme nwoke na nwaanyị. This is a very delicate issue that needs to be addressed. Very, very serious, delicate issue. Then always say, let me say this plainly. Don't destroy your destiny to decorate your December. Don't mortgage your destiny for mandatory pleasure or pressure. Yes, times are hard. Yes, Nigeria is squeezing everybody, but your body is not a survival strategy. The same people calling you just do it once are the one who will mock you tomorrow. The real problem is not these young people. The real problem is the society. The men, the women, destiny helpers, the business owners, the politicians, and even the religious people who exploit the desperate ones. We have normalized wickedness. We have made climb bed a currency for survival. Many girls are not immoral. They are victims of predators masking as helpers. Many boys are not useless. They are crushed by hopelessness of lack of opportunities. If you cannot help someone without asking for their body, do it. If you can help someone without asking for their body, do it. If you can support a struggling youth, support them. Don't use someone's hunger as an opportunity for your loss. Before you climb that bed this December, climb your dream, climb your discipline, climb your prayer life, climb your dignity, climb your consistency, climb your self-respect. Bird does not build destiny. They only create stories you will be afraid to tell later. Choose the path that gives you peace, not the one that gives you pressure. And if nobody helps you, come back to this post and remember this, hustle until you make it. God will not abandon you. I forgot the message there. God will not abandon you. The other part of my story is that I'm somebody built with experience. I have so many experiences. The street is a teacher. The street is a military. You have to be a soldier. And in being a soldier, street is also a teacher. You have to learn. You have to choose what you want in this street. So people say, I know street. No. You're not a street until you can differentiate the right from wrong, and you stand on your right, and you stand on your dignity and your mandate. God the numbers and the Bible.